TenTen App does not work. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, what you have to do is just go to the Play Store application on your device, and on the search bar, just search for the TenTen application. So this is the process that we want to do just to make sure that our app is updated to its latest version, and to make sure that we're not using the older versions or outdated versions of the application, because this also helps in not working of the connection with the device. As you can see, the app is updated to its latest version. I'm going to go back and then tap on the settings of the device, and then scroll down and tap on apps, then tap on manage apps, and then you can just search for the application on the search bar or scroll down. So I'm just going to wait and scroll down to find the TenTen application on my device. Then you can see the option of clear data at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on that and you can delete all data, or you can just delete the cache. That's up to you, which is convenient for you. And after that, go back and your problem might be solved by this. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.